checklist. And before that, let us understand the PHSER workshop requirement. So I welcome you all again for the PHSER session for EPC early civil works for NGL 10.5. And now we know each other, very small team. So thank you everyone for the introduction. The agenda is very clear that we are going to see all the objective of PHSER 4 of the construction phase, and we will see if there is some deviation and what is deviation, what is the impact. If there is some gap, we will take some recommendations. This is the agenda for the day. Guys, I have a safety moment related to drinking water. Now we are in October, so weather is good, but we need to ensure that we keep drinking good amount of water, even if you are not thirsty. Sometimes we need to have alternate option for drinking, like drinking a flavored water or adding some fruit juice and some flavor. Sometimes coconut water or other alternates are also okay. But try to avoid caffeine, tea, alcohol, because this will dehydrate your body, which is not good. Project overview. Yes, now guys, we are closing our project. We know there is a plan to have Train 5 NGL, new NGL, and there is a early civil work. So site survey, design and engineering, removal of waste material, removal of unsuitable soil, slope protection, ground improvement, structural filling, and miscellaneous work is the part of this scope of the project. The scope is very simple. So